Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping the device. Ensure the battery is at least 30% and connect to a stable power source. This prevents interruptions. Once done, use the original USB cable to link the phone to a PC with high suite or ADB tools installed, because factory tools restore needed partitions. Make sure you note the exact model and EMUI build, and whether OEM unlock or screen lock is active, since those conditions change commands. You need accurate identifiers before continuing to recovery operations. You now enter recovery and extract or restore partitions. This is the core step. Reboot into recovery using Power plus Volume Up or execute a DB reboot recovery, then attach high suite and select system recovery, or use fast boot to pull critical partitions like boot, system, and user data. Follow on-screen prompts and monitor transfer integrity. If sizes mismatch, stop and compare expected values. This method rebuilds damaged images directly, so take your time and verify each partition before writing back to avoid bricking the. You finish by flashing the repaired images and rebooting. Once the write completes, reboot normally and watch the boot sequence for errors. If you hit a boot loop, stop, reflash the boot and recovery images first, then attempt a full system restore. This isolates kernel issues versus user data corruption. Make sure to save a DB or high suite logs and timestamps, because if local recovery fails, providing those logs to Huawei service saves time. Remember, careful verification beats haste. Recheck steps before repeating any flash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.